Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now let us start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take your social science book and social classwork, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take and keep with you. Have you taken children? Have you taken? Okay, very good. In the previous class, we have learned fifth lesson, concept of time. Yes, children, in that lesson we have learned about the time and timeline, the Gorgon's family timeline, and about the history, the events that occur in past and period, what are they doing and how are they living. Yes, so like that we have to know now. Yes, so that all we have to know, because we have to develop ourselves. Yes, in before the kacha houses have changed to now bakka houses. Yes, wherever you go you see the kacha houses, kudisai veedu. Okay, kacha houses, now all the houses are pakka houses. Yes, so that is changes. Yes, that is neighborhood places changes. Okay, so that's all we have learnt in the previous class. Hey children, have you understood that? Okay, I hope you have understood. And also we have completed missing letter, meanings, fill up, jumble letters, and answer the following. First 3 question answers we have completed. Yes, so now all of you take your social classwork notes and write the remaining question answers and also homework. Okay, so all of you take your classwork notes, take your social classwork notes, take your social classwork, write continuously. Okay, leave only one line and write continuously 4th question. Okay, before that you have to write today date and day. All of you write today date and day. Have you written children? Have you written date and day? Okay, so leave one line and write 4th question. Leave one line and write 4th question. Already 3 question answers completed. Yes, so leave one line and write 4th question. Have you written children? What is the use of knowing the past? What is the use of knowing the past? Write neatly. Your handwriting should be neat children. Write neatly, slowly. Okay. What is the use of knowing the past? Have you finished question? Put question mark. Okay, then next line you have to write the answer. First letter should be capital. Okay. The use of knowing the past. The use of knowing the past helps us to make our present to future better. Okay. The use of knowing the past helps us to make our present to future better. Very easy. Yes, very easy answer. Yes, can you study children? Okay, very good. Have you written children? The use of knowing the past helps us to make our present to future better. Present விட futureல நம்ம better change ஆகிறதுக்கு நமக்கு என்ன தெரியணும்? Past. The past event we have to know. Okay, then only we will develop a better future. Okay. Have you finished children? Okay. Put question full stop. Then leave one line and write 5th question. Leave one line and write 5th question. Mention any sources. Mention any sources that helps us to know about the past events. Mention any sources that helps us to know about the past events. Mention any sources that help us to know about the past events. Put question mark. Have you finished question, children? Okay, then leave. The next line you have to write the answer. We can know about past events. We can know about the past events from coins, stamps and photographs. We can know about the past events from coins, 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 stamps, 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 and photographs, photographs, photographs. We can know about the past events from coins, stamps and photographs. Finished? Finished, children? Okay, put full stop, then leave one line and write sixth question. Leave one line and write sixth question. What are the different ways of knowing the past? What are the different ways of knowing the past? Write slowly and neatly, children. Your handwriting should be neat, then only you will study, okay? Okay, children? So all of you write slowly and neatly. What are the different ways of knowing the past? Finish, children? Put question mark. Then next line you have to write the answer. The different ways of knowing the past. The different ways of knowing the past. The different ways of knowing the past are written and unwritten historical events. Written and unwritten historical events. Historical events. The different ways of knowing the past are written and unwritten historical events. The different ways of knowing the past are written and unwritten historical events. Have you finished, children? Have you finished sixth question? Question and answer. Have you completed? Have you completed 3 question answers, children? Okay, all of you listen. The fourth question. Read with me, okay? What is the use of knowing the past? What is the use of knowing the past? The use of knowing the past helps us to make our present to future better. Make our present to future better. The uses of knowing the past helps us to make our present to future better. Okay, can you read, children? Then fifth question, mention any sources that helps us to know about the past events. We can know about the past events from coins, stamps and photographs. We can know about the past events from coins, stamps and photographs. Okay, then sixth question. What are the different ways of knowing the past? What are the different ways of knowing the past? The different ways of knowing the past are written and unwritten historical events. The different ways of knowing the past are written and unwritten historical events. Okay, can you read, children, 3 question answers? Okay, today itself you have to study. Okay, this 3 question answer today itself you have to study and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children, can you do, children? Okay, so now all of you take your homework notes. Take your social homework notes. Have you finished class, children? Okay, take homework. In the homework note also you have to write continuously. Okay, so leave one line and write today date and day. Write today date and day in the homework note also. And write find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. First one, dash is the story of the past. 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 Then finish, leave one line and write second fill-up. Events that occur in the past are known as dash. Events that occur in the past are known as dash. I said to read the book. Yes, children? Did you read the book, children? Every day you should read the book. Okay? You can develop your reading skills. Okay? So you have to every day read your book. Okay? Okay, children? Did you write? Events that occur in past are known as dash. Finish, then leave one line and write third one. Kacha houses have changed to dash. Kacha houses have changed to dash. Kacha houses means kudisai veedu. Okay. Kacha houses have changed to dash. Then leave one line and write fourth one. The civilization is one of the oldest human civilization in the world. The civilization is one of the oldest human civilization in the world. The civilization is one of the oldest human civilization in the world. The civilization is one of the oldest human civilization in the world. Finish, children? Das is the story of the past. Second one, events that occur in past are known as dash. Third one, Kacha houses have changed to dash. Fourth one, the civilization is the one of the oldest human civilization in the world. Okay, have you completed? Have you finished classwork and homework, children? Have you finished? Okay, and then I gave homework in the previous classes. I gave homework. Book page number 39 and 40. Yes? Yes or no? Book page number 39 and 40. That 2 pages already I gave homework in the previous class. Yes, children? Have you done your homework, children? Have you done? Okay, very good. All are very good, children. So you have completed. Yes? So now once check that all the answers. Check. Okay, if you write wrongly you have to change it now. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we check? Okay, so the first one. All of you check page number 39. Book page number 39. Check. Have you taken? Okay, the first one. A timeline is a way of showing events in chronological order. The answer is chronological. 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 Finished. Then next one. Our country got independence in the year in 1947. 1947. The answer is 1947. Okay. Then third one. Events that occurred in past are known as history. 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 The answer is history. Then fourth one. Information collected can be of two types. Information collected can be of two types. Written and unwritten. Information collected can be two types. Written and unwritten. The answer is written and unwritten. Okay. Then fifth one. Letters or diaries are written modern form of information. Letters or diaries or written modern form of information. Then sixth one. Objects, photographs, coins and stones are unwritten form of information. Objects means things. Okay. Objects, photographs, coins and stones are unwritten form of information. The answer is unwritten. Okay. So did you write correctly, children? Did you write correct all the answers? Okay, very good. Then next page. Okay, next page number 40. Next page. You have to take next page. Page number 40. Have you taken, children? Okay, write the correct word by rearranging the following letters. Write the correct word by rearranging the following letters. So the first one, the answer is history. In the dash you have to write answer history. Already I gave homework. Yes children, have you completed? I hope you have completed. So now check it all the answers. If you write wrongly you have to change it. Okay. Check the answer, children. The first one, history. Second one, coins. History, coins. Stamps. Then fourth one, utensils. Fifth one, timeline. The first one, history. Second one, coin. Third one, stamps. Fourth one, utensils. And fifth one, timeline. Utensils means paathirangal. Okay. Utensils, paathirangal. History, coins, stamps, utensils and timeline. Okay. Did you write correctly, children? Did you write correctly? Okay. Today I gave only 3 question answers classwork. Yes. And also homework also only 4 fill-up. Yes. So very easy. Yes, children. So can you study today? So you have to study everyday classwork every day. The day itself you have to complete. Okay, children. That is your everyday habits. Okay, you have to follow the hobby. Okay, that is your hobby. Okay. So today homework, write and study today classwork. Okay, study and write and see, children. Then we will see our next class. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.